Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create individual post archives in Greyd.Suite. As you will see, we have added some very nice features to the native Gutenberg features. With the archive block, you define which posts to be included in your archive. In the editor, you can at first define the alignment before it's about the details on the right. By default, your archive categories will be displayed as a list, but alternatively, you can also go for a drop-down appearance. And you can define whether you want the number of posts found displayed or not. Now it's time to define which type of archive you want to have. At first, select the post type to be used. If you've created individual post types with Greyd.Suite's Dynamic Post Types feature, you will be able to select them here, as well as the WordPress standard post types like pages and posts, or for shops there will also be additional ones. Based on that, you can then show posts from a certain time frame with certain tags or of certain categories, where you can also work with your custom taxonomies if you've created some. You can also define how the results should be sorted, for example, chronologically from the newest or oldest, or also alphabetically, backwards or forwards. You can define whether or not to show subcategories, and for date-based archives, you can also choose from different formatting options. Depending on which display variant you've chosen earlier, you will now find some design options. For example, for list archives, you can add an icon and adapt the size and space and select from your global button or link styles. Also, of course, work with an individual style. For drop-down archives, it's almost the same. Here you can choose from one of your global field designs or also overwrite the design individually. Now your individual archive is already finished. How the archive page itself looks like is controlled by the archive template. With this template, you can style and lay out your archive page completely individually. Therefore, you will, for example, need the post overview or query loop block to display the posts that were found in your archive. To learn more about that, there's a dedicated post overview tutorial in our Help Center. For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.